Good morning guys. Third money hunt guys. Kung malapit lang kayo dito, pwede nyo itong kuhain. Kung hindi naman, wag na lang. Ito yung ito yung view. Ayun guys. Malapit kayo dito